This disgusts me. Hi, my name is Sindre, and you're watching the official Dowinx YouTube channel. Today, we're gonna have a pretty interesting one. First, let me ask you a question. Have you ever seen a $17 gaming chair? Well, neither had I, up until very recently, my colleagues included. Normally, the price range for a gaming chair is somewhere in between $90 to $400. So we got quite surprised when we found this chair on Chinese online retailer Pinduoduo. Of course, we had to order it. It took a few days to arrive. Everything seemed normal, but it's definitely a lie to say that there's no difference between this and a chair from a more normal price range. Actually, you can literally feel the difference almost just by looking at it. It looks kind of like a rough prototype for a more expensive chair. However, one thing we must confess from a manufacturer's standpoint is that it's totally feasible to just take a cool design, but have a low budget and just swap out all the fine materials with crappy ones. I'm pretty sure this is what they did with this chair, but let's not judge it by its cover and take a closer look. So just for your reference there at home, I am 6 foot tall and around 165 pounds. Let's have a try, shall we? Ooh, that is rough. I mean, it is a chair. Let's see if we can. Oh, the recliner actually doesn't move. That's a minus. Yeah, okay, I guess I'll be sitting like this, like on a Ryanair flight. Oh, and at least we can go up and down, I think. Yeah, we can go up and down. That's for sure. I mean, we got the pillow that falls off very easily. Okay, we got that adjusted. I mean, if you are a very straight-backed gamer and you don't like to take it easy, maybe this is the chair for you. But for me, honestly, I would say a bit stiff, and I feel a little bit like a giant. Also, just for reference, I don't know if the mic is going to pick this up, but the sound you get when you sit down is, I mean, it's kind of like a car crash. I don't know. It's spooky. Let's see. So I mean, yeah. All in all, quite flimsy, but I mean, if you just want to tell people that you have a gaming chair, it's okay. Surprisingly heavy. Okay, so it turns out we were lying earlier. I found the recliner handle and it works. It's there. It's a bit scary to use, but it's there if you want to relax, come home, do some gaming. You have it. It's there. I kind of wish that there was like sort of some little something to rest my feet on here, but there isn't. The chair does slide forward a bit though. It feels like I'm at sea. But yeah, something to rest my tired feet on would be nice. Now here we just so happen to have a chair from Dowinx, and notice how silent that sit down was. And you can't feel what I'm feeling, but this is different. This is what I would call comfortable. It's been a long day. And recline a little bit. And now I would say we're in business. From this position, you can really relax. Have a book, have your Switch, play on your phone, talk to a significant other. This position has limitless possibilities. And as soon as things are getting a bit heated in your GeoGuessr country streaks, you can flip it all back and engage in serious gamer mode. An essential feature of ergonomic chairs is lumbar support, and I'll give you a look. On the Dowinx, you have this one. Very comfortable, adjustable. It can even massage you if you want to. This is what good lumbar support looks like. Now, here on the other hand, has maybe one very specific lower back covered. I don't know, but if you're curving up here, then good luck. Sitting back in the $17, let's talk a little bit about what they have for armrest solutions. I mean, they're here. It feels, leaning onto them feels a little bit unsafe. It feels like we could tip over. They are a bit papery and they are kind of flimsy. I don't know. Yeah. Now, here on the other hand, I feel like we could take a corner at 100 miles per hour. This is phenomenal. Also, it doesn't feel papery at all. It feels leathery. It's soft, it's nice, it's long, like every underarm should be covered here. Let's talk about height adjustment. This chair actually doesn't do it that bad. I don't feel safe doing it. I'm worried it might, the chamber, the hydraulics might explode and destroy my behind, but it's so far so good. It probably the best aspect of this whole chair. But again, as always, everything just seems to be a little bit better over here. It's smooth, up and smooth down. And I feel safe. I've seen the insides of this thing. I don't fear any explosions whatsoever. Now, let's talk neck. Here you can see quite a distinct difference. Here you have the little clip. I do not really understand why they bothered putting in these two racing holes just to... I mean, when you have them, at least spend some money on a wee little clip. I mean, here the GTA online role-playing can get as intense as you want and you will just be steadfast. As mentioned earlier, we're going to have a bit of fun today. Let's first have a closer look at the neck rests, starting with the cheap one. Ugh. This looks like this looks like the drain of a public shower. What is this? What have they filled this with? Oh no. Oh, here on the other hand, you have delicious foam. Very soft. Smells good. And you know, this little chewing gum shaped thing will support your neck. But let's have a look at the lumbar support. Foam, okay. Oh, it's a bit easy to tear. Oh God, that's a funky smell. That is very funky smelling. You can see like why. It's strong. This is, I don't know what this smell is, but it's strong. It's very strong. It's very easy to make compact. It's very easy to tear. And the smell gets more intense, believe it or not, when you open it up like this. Let's open this. I expect this to be foam as well. First, this is the massager, by the way, massage machine. If you can use if you want to. And then we have, yeah, this is better. This is tight foam. This, no. Maybe the Rock could tear it. I can't. This is good stuff. I don't really know foam, but this is good stuff. No smell. No smell. Yeah, it's absolutely odorless. Odorless is the word I'm looking for. I'm going to be doing something that might seem a bit weird. Let me get my keys. Let's see how well this leather holds. Okay, cut a bit. Nothing really happens unless I like go. Should I just go to town instead? Okay. Same cut. Yep. I don't recommend the house key test on your furniture at home, but it's still interesting to note that a little jab can just completely open this. I don't know if you can see this on camera, but this like weird foam-filled thing. Probably shouldn't smell this, but some more help. Yeah, I hope this isn't asbestos. Could be. It's colorful though, I'll give it that as like, It's colorful, it looks kind of cool, I'll give them that. It is a bit easy to tear apart. Just clean it up. It's normal chair review. I'm sweaty. Actually an upgrade, maybe. I'm back again with my tried and true key test. Not a thing. Nothing happens. Can't see it. Interesting. Now let's go for a little jab. No? A bit harder? No? If you're losing at Valorant, you can go to town on this chair and you won't even see a bruise. Okay, I think we're gonna have to use harder stuff. This pains me, it feels a bit bad to do, but I think I should just try to cut it open and at least see what it's made of. Okay. Oh, don't want to split and break the knife here. Oh, it's... My goodness, it's difficult. And again, we have the good old foam that is true on true in every little cushion in this chair, it seems. Oh, exercise. This is how much force you need to apply. Take this one home, use it in whatever furniture you want and make it comfortable. Get that cheap foam out of here. Now, obviously don't do this at home, but if playing a fake cop on GTA Online 80 hours a week takes a load on you and you just need to stress out, you should at least know what effect cigarettes have on your gaming chair. Let's give it a test. Ooh, oh. Or maybe I'll light the whole thing on fire. Quite dramatic. Wow. Never smoke in your gaming chair. But especially don't smoke in your $17 gaming chair. Have a look at what happens. I mean, look at that. You can practically use this as an ashtray. High quality leather, ladies and gentlemen. We've been through a lot today, but I really hope this video helps prospective gaming chair buyers. But more importantly, no matter how expensive the chair is, if it costs $990 or even $900, it's not everything. You can't get away from having bad posture. While you're sitting there gaming, always be mindful of having a healthy, good, erect spine. You should probably do some exercise to get those back muscles strong, and ideally also stretch in between your gaming sessions every 2 to 3 hours. This $17 gaming chair, I personally wouldn't recommend it. However, if you want a gaming chair and this is all your budget allows, or you're kind of a penny pincher, I totally understand your choice of choosing a chair like this one. As long as it's safe, I mean, why the hell not? We will be doing more interesting stuff here at the Dowinx channel. Make sure you subscribe to get all the latest news, discounts, promos, giveaways, everything. See you next time.